This is day 29 so far along. Alright, now let's get started. So it's time to get in my video so you can get some clout off my channel. F out of here. Man, busting nothing else to talk about. Hope you all up today, man. So holding your pills tight. We ain't rich yet. We gotta keep this going, man. The marathon don't stop, man. It don't stop. Marathon don't stop. Start something with your life, man. Well, we're up a 50 ball, but we almost 100K, y'all. I thank y'all, man. Like, for real. 100K views, bro. 100K. I thank you all. It's a lot of different dishes, bro. Now I'm the only sibling out of 5 people. 5 people, bro, who be up this early doing this right here. I promise you. Well, One is a little girl, so it don't matter. But the other people, they're very answerable to clean up, man. I'm looking for a come up though. I'm getting mine, man, for real. Off myself, not off nobody, for real. I ain't look, I ain't looking for no promos, none of that. I'm my own promoter. You feel me? I promote myself. I promote myself and got over 50,000 views, bro. You can do the same thing. You can do the same thing, dude. You just want to make up excuses for yourself. That's right. And you just wishing. Stop wishing, bro. You only got one life, bro. Live it to your fullest, bro. All right, y'all. Time for me to go, man.